Chat, chat, chat. Yo, 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 yo. What is going on, everybody? Hope everyone is doing amazing. If you guys are here, put some W's in the chat, please. Let me know you guys can hear me. Shout out to Dr. Dollar also for hopping in. Love my brother from another mother. Damn near the same weather at this point. Good to see y'all. Good to see y'all. Where the fuck's my? There we go. Yes, sir. I see those W's. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. Welcome to another live, guys. Let's finish off the week strong. Everyone who's here, you guys are making a difference in your lives. There are a lot of people out there who may just be sleeping or watching Netflix right now. You guys are actually here putting in some work. So first off, I want to congratulate you for being the difference in your trading journey. Hold on. And I'm here to help you as much as I can. We're gonna go over GU, GJ, gold, all the good pairs, guys. But first, I want to know, how was your guys' trading week been? Let's put a little poll in the chat. How? All right, guys. Let me know in the chat, guys, how your guys' week has been. There's no reason to lie. No one can see the answers on who answered what. So this is just a general question. Because maybe if you had a bad week, it'll also show that some other people, you know, maybe had not the best week either. Waiting on new laptop to trade, that's why slow and quiet here. All good, hiding amongst trees. Thank you for being here. Regardless, I appreciate it. I see 36% is saying, damn, tied with BE. You guys should be honest though. A lot of you guys are saying BE, which makes me feel like it's more BE negative. Which is completely fine, guys. You know, that's how a lot of us fucking we're all here to talk about it and shit, you know. How's your trade week, bro? Bro, my trade week was freaking amazing. I actually went undefeated in the Indices channel. Had 0 losses the entire week. In the VIP, we absolutely killed it, but I just know I don't think it was undefeated. I have to go and check. Let me see if I have the spreadsheets up, but I had a very good week, yes. Very good week. So here's this, MBA, this one. So here's these Indices one, absolute gangster. 830 racks a show. What month is it, July? Yeah, here we go, guys. So I do keep track of all the, you know, all the trades I do call into VIP for anyone who is wondering. So this is so far in July, our win rate. We've had 16 wins and 5 losses, overall 25%, 76% win rate. Absolutely crazy, guys, and these numbers seem surreal until you're in VIP. Just because the one thing I want to say and reiterate to you guys is that all the trades that I send are buy stop, sell stops. I'm just gonna bring it up once again to you guys, because once again, I can't sugarcoat it. It's not like I show you guys one thing and then there's another thing. No, like watch this, ready? Sell stop. If you guys don't know what a sell stop is, it means that you just literally have to input it with these credentials and you'll freaking absolutely kill it. So this is my target, was the 4% target, and you can see here, absolute sweep. You know what I'm saying? So it's not like you guys are getting in late or in a drawdown or whatever. No, like I literally let you know. All right, you know, looking for sells on gold. Sell stop on gold. This is the entry you input into your MetaTrader, your trade locker, whatever it is, with the stop loss and TP, and then I'll let you know when it gets activated. I'll let you know when the TPs are hit. I closed at 3.8%. Hope you ate with me, gang. And then the Indices channel, guys. If you hop on over to the Indices channel, you can see here textbook setup. Undefeated this week. Sells. I mean this. Yeah. I mean full sweep. Yesterday full sweep, but Not only was it a full sweep yesterday, we could even go back to it, guys. I want you to recognize this. All right, y'all see this? These sells that we caught yesterday. Remember this for a second. All right, everyone remember this on NAS. Okay. Now let's go over to NAS. This was it. Right here. This was the position. So yes, it swept for 1 to 4, but how much did it really go? I mean, come on now. 1 to 28. Risk to reward. So a lot of you guys were asking me for a promo. I think I'm going to do a promo and give you guys a discount to join VIP this weekend. We absolutely killed it this week. This would obviously be a good opportunity for any of you guys to come in, but there's the link right there to come and join. You guys can use code TRADE for 15% off. So make sure you guys do that. Click that link, use code TRADE. There's also the option to be in both groups. And if you guys, once again, if you use the 15% off code on this link, it literally is about the same price as just getting the VIP. So no reason not to go and get in both channels. Absolutely killer. That was my baby though. I mean, that was the 1 to 28 there, right? But this was today also. I mean, absolutely killer, guys. Undefeated the whole week in that channel. Absolutely disgusting. But we want to go over gold, guys. Gold's been selling off, and a lot of people have asked me questions on it and where I think it's going to go, etc. And I'm here to talk about it. So you can see here that's actually rocking off of a level I was talking about a while ago during this impulse. I wanted to come back down, respect, and you can see that we distributed. It actually ended up coming back down and touching right back into the same zone. I didn't even draw this today. This literally was a zone that was like right here. And I was like, oh, what the heck? And then I drew it over. I was like, oh shit, it's respecting the same zone. So due to like the higher time frames, let's go to the daily. Do the daily time frame, guys. You guys still need to understand where our impulse leg is still coming from, because on the daily time frame we still are in this retracement here, and we're racking out the 62% level. But not only that, if we deep dive a little bit further and take the fib off, you actually will see here on the daily time frame we are in this daily level of like supply right here, and actually have not broken the lows or anything. So you can see here that we actually kind of, you know, are rejecting. We're now actually holding this level of support and having a bullish candle reacting off of it. So if we go to the 4 hour, same type of thing, that like if you know, consider this the impulse leg, we're now at like basically a 100% retracement to see if we can get some sort of reaction to take price up. So the one thing that I want to go over on gold on these sells is the same thing we went over on GJ 2 nights ago. So before I say, I want everyone right here to basically tell me, what do you think I'm waiting for on gold here to show something? Like, what do you guys think I should wait for? I want to see who here in the chat's paying attention. No, I'll just break a structure. Anyone in the chat got any guesses? So let's erase this, but you guys know that's the daily time frame that we're in. Erase this also. Liquidity, the bigger structure. Retest. Market structure shift. Yeah, so I would say market structure shift, like change of character. That's what I would wait for, guys. And the whole reason is this. So once again, this is technically our impulse leg, right? Even though it's going up and down and up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. To simplify things, this is the impulse leg. This is the direction price is heading towards. And now this is the retracement price has been making. So the one thing I want to point out to you guys is when we fell, what did we do? We led to a retracement. And then we fell. And now we're leading to, you know, maybe some sort of retracement. So we could still fall and follow this kind of downtrend like this, right? So the only way to counteract that is to actually wait for this to kind of channel. And then when we see kind of like it down channel, right? Like as if it wants to sell off, it kind of, you know, holds the support. We get some sort of break of structure, market structure shift, right? Above here. And then as soon as we retrace and see us kind of reacting off of like a level in here, that's where we can look for a further continuation to like, you know, aim for liquidity up in these areas. Does that make sense? There's some W's in the chat if that makes any sense to anyone in the chat room. That's the only way. Because now I'm going to go over an example of how we actually got saved from an L on GJ because of that. You know what I'm saying? So if we go down to the 15.5, we went over this on live stream and a lot of you guys really enjoyed it and you guys actually answered right. You guys answered correctly. So if we go to the 5 minute on GJ, similar thing where we were in this downtrend, right? And we come and swap liquidity, looking for some sort of change of character to go. I went over an example with you guys of range 1, range 2 on how basically like the reason why I didn't really take these buys or anything right here after the break and retest after this liquidity sweep is because we're still in this down channel, and you guys have to realize that this right here, that candle, this is the supply that led to this whole bearish move, right? And left a fair value gap. So for price to come, and even though it swept liquidity, for it to break structure into the fair value gap, this still to me was it just forming a lower high to come back and make a lower low where it had no confirmation yet to actually establish the low to continue, where I went over this setup and put the setup here showing people who were going to get in and what would happen. And it's not like I put this up after, I put it up where like, oh, this is what an entry usually would be, right? Because I know a lot of you guys look for entries like this where it's like, oh, it consolidated, it swept the liquidity, we got to break a structure, now we're retapping in to go. Well, let's dissect it a little more. You can look over here, huge fair value gap that we just tap right into just to continue the sell off. You know what I'm saying? So waiting for you know, the actual break of structure above where price actually made the low is what is most important in that setup. So put some W's in the chat if that makes some sense. If y'all learning something. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. I know we got more people than just Creative Minds, Pat, and Leo Pomio. I know we got more than just those three guys. I see there's 35 people here, so everyone please put some W's in the chat. I come here, do this for completely free, live, break it down for you guys. And just spam some W's. I get a bad bitch wet. More W's, more W's. Thank you, John. Come on, guys. Who else? I see my boy Leo Pomiro. I see Creative Minds. All right, there we go. I see my boy Jason. Come on, chat. I get 30 racks a show. Bitch will tell me no. All blues, 300K. So this ain't coming to play. Thank you guys. Ozo, Oho, Emmanuel, Glutify, what's up? Anthony. Good to see y'all. Appreciate y'all for being here. Let's kind of break down GJ now, guys. If we go to the higher time frame, like the 4 hour, you can see that we had a massive sell-off with that news. We look left, we swept major levels of liquidity and getting some sort of reaction on the way up. Go on to the 1 hour, you can kind of see the setup that I kind of drew up. That's kind of honestly, like, I mean, it's coming here. We got the liquidity sweep that I was expecting where we came down, made a low, had a big sweep. That's now had a huge move up. We've now created lows. So what I would like to see is honestly the lows getting swept out and coming down to like area down here where it kind of like consolidates, leads to the liquidation that then, you know, we can look for a drive. We shall see. Yo, what up, Sean B? How you doing, brother? Good to see you. Good to see you. Hope you're doing well as well. Let's go over GA, guys. What's up, boy Junior? Where that boy Junior? I go over GA. These buys down here, guys. I mean, if we would have just held, holy fuck. Rich, homie, quant. I get 30 racks a show. Bitch won't tell me no. So for GA, guys, I mean, we're on the 30-minute. What's the 15 even look like? Nah, let's go to hourly. The thing that's hard for me, guys, is that like all these led to a new break, kinda. Like down here is the major kind of demand that led to the push. You know what I'm saying? All the way down in here, which is ways away. Like I don't necessarily want to take just like the first one, like right here or right below it. You know what I'm saying? Like GA seems kind of cooked in my opinion. Don't really want that. Gold, on the other hand, I mean, I like to kind of like, once again, it like made a low, kind of made its way up and came down and like established that support within having another like kind of bullish rally up. If we would have got a break of structure, obviously I'd be a little bit more confident, but no break of structure. No break of structure. You know what I'm saying? Any pairs in the chat? Any of you guys want me to break down or anything? Any pairs in the chat? You guys are like, Luca, you gotta do this one. S&P 500 and DAX? Are you guys on crack? What is you guys' problem? The fuck? Well, first off, it's, you know, London session, so I wouldn't recommend trading SPX. But here on SPX, you can see here that we are sweeping these clear lows right here. So we could look for some sort of, I don't know, reaction to come back up. Just because I still do see us in this bullish kind of, you know, leg. Go to the 4-hour time frame. We got to start trading back above there to consider it. If we did want to look for a sell scenario, I see a gap up here though, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. I'm gonna be completely honest. Being the trader I am when it comes to like pullbacks and liquidity sweeps and stuff, I don't really like selling when I just see these clear lower highs coming down. Because like, yes, it is following the trend and I'm not just gonna buy, right? I always wait for like some sort of like change of character, market structure shift, liquidity grab, like boom. But it's to then aim for like these sort of levels. You know what I'm saying? Just because for me, like I wouldn't want to sell unless it was like all the way up, you know, up here. Probably taking out like these highs. You know what I'm saying? Maybe taking out like this high to tap into like, you know, that supply up there. You know, I'm not someone to just chase the market. So I'd say on SPX, I'd wait for some sort of reversal over here. We're rejecting right out the, you know, 200 MA after taking out the lows. We go to the 1 hour time frame, look left, lows taken out, swept, boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Easy there. 15. These have really established lows. So I would, you know, I would really just like mark up this New York low right here. Wait for this to maybe get swept as its final little liquidity sweep and then look for maybe longs to target like, you know, Asia highs and previous New York highs, whatever it may be. That's on SPX. Someone said DAX 30. Dirty 30, a little Jer. If we go out to the 1 hour, I mean, I can kind of see we just took out this low right here. We still have major low down over in this area right here. I honestly kind of like the sells maybe on it, just because I see here that we kind of were in this downtrend. We kind of came up and took out the highs to the left to then, you know, once again establish this break of structure. We've pulled back, tapped into this supply, and then broke structure again, and now we're kind of rallying back up. So In this scenario, I'd honestly maybe be looking for some sort of shorts. You can go like this, mark up like that level of like supply resistance. Maybe you look for it to maybe take it out, and then maybe look for shorts to actually come and aim for that ultimate low. I'll keep this up and see how it kind of plays out for the next couple of days into next week. What up, Pip Flippa? You said been loving the DAX lately. What have you been loving about it? And what time have you been trading it? Like London Open or what? I put some commas on it. Big ass chain with diamonds on it. I'm balling all over the place. I'm everything that you ain't. London Open, yeah. Do you just use the volume, or do you look for anything? Liquidation, breaks the structure, anything, or what? Bitcoin. If we're gonna like really go over Bitcoin, so we can go here to like the 4 hour. One thing I'm expecting is us to come and retest these highs and see if we can break. If you think about it, these were the ultimate lows that we've had. Like, we haven't been this low in a while, and this is the biggest liquidation we've seen in a while. So I mean, this was kind of free money down here. If you would have waited for this kind of W formation, like you guys have seen me already explain it on the last two pairs that like when I see a liquidation, yes, I don't buy right away. I wait for some sort of like, once again, low to get established, and then wait for like a high to get made, and then pull back into some sort of supply. And then even here, even if we broke this structure on this pullback, to then continue in the other direction. You know what I'm saying? But because that happened, I don't know, this left some pretty equal lows right here. So maybe these need to get swept first to fill this gap. But I would say that like we're in kind of the bullish leg again. I would consider this still the impulse leg. And then I would wait for like these lows to get taken out into the 50% to then distribute up into the negative 27%, which that would equal the all-time highs once again, which then we would be back in that. I mean, we already kind of are in that bull run. Not in the bull run. I think the bull run's going to come November. But we're still obviously bullish. We've been going up. Thanks for having these YouTube live sessions. I've been trading on demo a lot, trying to learn from you and getting confidence and trusting my TPs, making sure that I take the right approach to the markets. Let's go, Jonah. That makes me so happy, bro. That's why I do these live streams, is for anyone who maybe, once again, isn't where they want to be in trading. There's just a couple of things you guys maybe need, you know, that I hope you guys gain from these live streams. You know, there's like so many just real examples of me of why I don't get into a trade, or explain why I would, or etc. that like I hope, you know, helps you guys understand why or why not you should be getting into certain trades. That's like the whole premise of doing the lives and stuff. Put a 1 in the chat if you think I've helped you a little bit on your trading journey with something. I get 30 racks a show. It won't tell me, you know. Thank you. I appreciate everyone putting 1s. I know there's more of you guys too. You just don't want to say it. No, I get a lot of DMs and stuff also on Instagram from a lot of people who learn a lot from the lives or from the YouTube and all that type of stuff. If you guys didn't go watch the new YouTube video, also, I always will say that you should definitely go check it out. I think personally that there was a lot of gems. Streamed 1 year ago. Like, what was I doing a year ago? Damn, I have this template still on Streamlabs. Where was I at? Damn. This is what I'm saying, guys. One thing I always will say is that, like, I have so many years of live trading that, like, no one can say bullshit. Look at that. Once again, boom. Still just in trades killing it.
takes more time, I guess.
Yeah.
Who is that?
Damn, GU buys look nice, honestly.
Just see it.
Damn, entry would have been right there. Just the area trajectory ran away from to that wood block. No, I'm kidding. Yeah.
Fire, bro.
Yeah, it's not bad.
See who was on this live? I see Nay. I see Nate. I see Cal, Mark, OG Fresh, Michael. Damn, bro.
If you manage to
Shout out my boys. Where's Nay? Nay, you still here in the chat?
Wait, you wanna check?
Limit fucking team member alive.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Man, this is fire, bro. Look at this. Guys, a MetaTrader right here. On my other screen. That shit was so gangster, bro. I miss MetaTrader so much, bro. Fuck. Swear to God. Damn, so that's what I always say, guys. I've been live trading for like, I mean, even longer than that. I wonder. Should we go see? I know I'm going copyrighted on a bunch. I wonder what like the first live that I had on here was. Two years ago, like what was I? Oh, no way, that was Carson. That's crazy. They go back down. I get 30 racks a show. Look at the setup, chat. Look at me. Where was I here? Bro, this is still back in Petaluma. Dude, I've come a long fucking way. Holy shit. Chat, y'all seeing this?
I like you take like the
Look at Emmett, Zach, Nick, Official Money, Drew, Daniel. Damn, crazy with Emmett. Ah, crazy. Dude, I love going back and watching this. Chart colors still the same, chat. Chart colors still the same. Damn, look at me. I was trading fucking damn near breakouts at that point. Channeling. No, just like kind of like, once again, liquidity grabs with trendline breaks, bro. That's literally all you really need. Oh yeah, gangster. Oh yeah. Bro, I've been winning for you. This is what I'm saying is that if anyone got anything to say, bro. Oh damn, well. That's hilarious. I spoke too soon. But you know what I mean. I've been trading live for fucking years. I ain't no newbie to this shit. That was hilarious. I spoke too soon. This won't tell me no.
Gotta leave the racials.
Dude, this is so funny, guys. What do you guys notice about this setup? I've evolved so much. This is the same setup we went over of why I avoided it, was us coming back to fill this fair value gap that led to the break. This is the false breaker structure. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, I've evolved, bro. I've evolved. I've learned from my mistakes over time. You guys ask me, look, where'd you learn this shit? Oh, because I fucking lost from it so many times, I eventually figured it out. We're still dropping gems? Yes, sir. We still here putting in the work. Still here putting in the work years later, chat. You know what I'm saying? I'm really here. I'm really here. Alright, so that was Bitcoin. Gold. Like, what do you guys think we're going to be trading tonight? OG Luca's crazy. Okay, go. Let's see what you're gonna do with your little bitch ass, motherfucker. Asia lows on GJ. I set an alert for it. Definitely set an alert for it. I bet you will get some sort of reaction. Like, if you guys really wanted to just put a buy position like right there, I would think that would hit TP. I'm not even gonna lie. Sweep the low and then just quick little. Even if it does come back down, I think you'll get a little reaction from there for sure. Sweep and equal lows, which also is the Asia session lows. I think that wouldn't be bad. I'm fairly confident that you might have talked about this, but any advice for funded accounts advice? A lot of the things that I went over in that new YouTube video that I put out, I think correlate a lot with what's it called? Prop firm challenges, bro. Like, I'm telling you right now, I'm one of those people that really does believe that like doing prop firms kind of made me a better trader. Like, literally helped me dial a lot of stuff down, because when it comes to having the rules like daily drawdown and overall drawdown and having to hit a certain whatever, like, you learn risk management, having to risk a certain percent. You learn kind of like having to go for risk to reward. Like, you just learn so much shit. Having that dashboard that follows you is just like a magnifying glass that really just like identifies you as a trader. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I think prop firms are a good thing, but for some advice, I'd say that I don't force trades every day. I think that's one thing, is that like, I mean, guys, back when I was like first starting prop firms and shit, there was those time limits and there were so many challenges that like I would pass in profit and then would have to like restart, you know what I'm saying? Or I would like force myself, where thank God they got rid of them. But I mean, a lot of you guys, I mean, you guys still fail within 2 weeks anyways, but that one challenge, guys, which is the only challenge I've never passed without losing one. I literally didn't lose one single trade on the entire fucking first phase. No cap, no bullshit. But that challenge, once again, and I went over it on my Instagram story and with you guys, is that I did like half the challenge, more than half of it was on a hot streak, and then ended up actually stepping back and then not finishing the YouTube video, whatever, getting distracted, just trading my other accounts, and then went back to it and finished it off. Whereas like, I bet you if I would have just kept trading it, I would have ran into some L's and other, you know what I'm saying? So it was just an example. I was saying like, bro, you don't trade every day and you wait for the A+ setups, bro, you're just straight winners. You know what I'm saying, chat? What's UJ up to? Hopefully next week we get some better PA. Let's see what we're doing in this little box. You know what I'm saying? Chat, what should I do this weekend? I should stay in and just get work done, but I might go out for like one night. What should I do? I'll vlog for you guys. Hell yeah. Oh, so I showed you guys the spreadsheet for the VIP results. Right? 16 to 5. We didn't even go over the indices results. Pretty sure I have that spreadsheet right here. Kind of ridiculous. I can't lie. My win rate with indices is pretty crazy. So, like I said, guys, y'all click that fucking code, go crazy. 88% win rate, kind of bonkers. And once again, I can pull up the chat. Like, I'm really transparent with it, guys. I'll pull up VIP. You guys can see, like last night, a full sweep, sell stops. You know what I'm saying? Absolute killer. TP's hit. Moved entry up, sell stops. Look at 2% going to close majority, run rest free. Like, guys, this is what it's like in, you know, I got nothing to hide. Look at all these TPs hit. Full sweep. Whatever. All right, now let's go over to the indices channel. Guys, I'll literally go through it slow. So this was today, right? Full sweep. Yesterday, full sweep. Before that was just TP1, but before that, TP2. I mean, I don't know when I've lost. That's the only thing. Oh yeah, here's one loss right here. Like these is literally like just constant. It's kind of gangster. These setups are kind of, I don't know. Volume trading that early is just pretty nice. Like look at these results. Lost on Monday and then all the rest of the week. Boom, boom, boom. Too good. So yeah, I mean, like I said, I don't know someone who's more transparent. I don't gotta hide shit. One thing that like, you know, sucks about a lot of those groups is that they'll say shit online and then you join and it's not, but it's like, I just showed you what it is. So it's like, if you want, guys, sell stops and buy stops. You can't name one other signal group that does that. The whole reason I do that is so that you guys get the exact entry as me. There's no discrepancy. There's no like me saying buy and then it being way in profit by the time you get in. No, it's literally we all get in at the same time. You still do one-on-ones? I do one-on-ones. I am going to start opening up more mentorship spots, guys. I am thinking about doing a mastermind type thing. So I just am curious if people in the chat, if anyone here is interested in doing some sort of mastermind with me, it'd be like a 4-week thing to turn you into an absolute beast. Let me know. Put a W in the chat. Put a W in the chat if you'd be interested. And then it would be cool, guys. Live trading would be included. You get to trade with me live. So hopefully we all like pass a challenge together. You get paired up with like another person in the program. Give you guys homeworks. You know, all that type of stuff would be included. So, you know, if you guys are interested, definitely let me know. I think it'd be a lot of fun. $41, yes sir. 41 is in the chat. If you know, you know. We got 41 of you guys here right now. There's 41 people in the live, but y'all not so quiet today. Everyone's tired. It's the end of the week. You got Thursday tomorrow. What time is it? 10:45. Yeah, I feel you. I feel you, chat. I want to open up a section of the Discord where there's like videos you guys can send for me to react to. That shit would be gangster, bro. This setup was so awesome on GU. This goes back to those steps I'm talking about, that yes, we're in this downtrend, but once we sweep ultimate lows, swing lows, wait for the change of character, break a structure, sweep, continue. Easy. Straight up now, tell me, do you really want to? G shit. Let's see here. GJGU. Can you explain your sweep of Asia lows again? You did it a while back, but I'm just curious. Yeah, I can explain it. You also can go to my YouTube. I have one of the videos called which one is it? It's like the only, oh, this one, the one liquidity strategy you need. This will break it down more in depth for you, but ultimately the easiest way I could do it is that if you have this on your chart, the Sonar Lab sessions right here, once you have this in here with the correct settings, basically each Asia session is going to create an Asia range, which will look something like this. Ultimately, all we're doing is that if we're bullish and, you know, it ended up making like a, you know, like this is what this session ended up doing. Basically, at this point, you're basically looking for the Asia lows to be swept, for price to come down and sweep them, to go and aim for the highs, something like this. You know what I'm saying? Like that and vice versa. And the one thing that I think a lot of people get messed up on, that why I drew it like this, is that you always got to pay attention to whatever the direction is. So if we're bullish and this is the bullish impulse, we're then waiting for the retracement to take it here. Like if this comes up and takes out the highs, it's less likely to come and then just take out the lows. That's the advice I would give to it, is just try to keep it pro trend, and that's the lead. Other than that, the other advice I would give is that you want it to do something like, if this, you know, once again, if this is the range or whatever, when it comes to sweep, you want it to kind of sweep the low and then come like immediately kind of close back above and break structure. The thing that you don't want is for price to kind of like, you know, go close way below and show we're super bearish and then come back up. Because once we come back up and you try to buy up in here, it's actually just a retest, you know, up in here to then come back lower. You know what I'm saying? So that's just the difference in advice I would give with that strategy. But I mean, that strategy is honestly G. I think you could just trade that strategy and be fine. But I just don't see it occur often because I only trade a couple pairs. If I traded all pairs, because I know people that just trade that strategy and they trade across like a bunch of different pairs, and they do good. So definitely keep an eye out for that. You know what I'm saying? I get 30 bucks to show. You had a gold sweep when you explained it and it banged. Yeah. Yeah, especially with gold, especially with indices. Like, I mean, honestly, all pairs. The strategy is just G. It literally is just G. Because, I mean, you'll see when, like, Asia session will create a range, and then pre-session it'll already have moved way above or way below. Those are the days that kind of suck. It's like this, when it's like, you know, let's say we were bullish on the day and this is the bullish impulse, and we're kind of consolidating here within the Asia lows. We then would just literally be waiting to take it out to come back up. You know what I'm saying? That's how my brain works. USD CAD. Is the one-on-one only one time for that price? For which one? On WAP? Yeah, well, it's just a one-time. Yeah, it's like a 1 hour thing. One-time thing, 1 hour thing. What's the promo code for VIP again? I believe TRADE. TRADE. TRADE, guys. To come join VIP, guys, here's the link. Come join and see if you like it. Come see if you like it. Thing I would recommend: join, be open-minded, listen, and hold to 1 to 3s. You'll be a happy camper. Oh, and also use like a fixed lot. So the one thing why also, so you guys gotta understand that, like, I literally made my signals as easy as possible for you guys. Like, that's the reason why I started doing a fixed stop loss and buy stops slash sell stops, is because it's easy as hell for you guys, because then you could risk the same lot size in the same amount every single trade, and you're going to get entered in the exact same as me every single trade. So we're always going to have the same risk to reward. So at that point, it's literally up to you guys to hold your winners longer than, you know, than losses. Obviously, having proper risk management, and will always be profitable. And you guys can see with the win rate and me going through and showing you guys, yes, like if there's a week that we win 3 trades but lose 2, yes, if you close the 1-to-1s, yes, you're only gonna be at 1%. But that's what I'm saying is that you really have to hold your winners to the 1-to-3s, 1-to-4, like those, because then at the end of the week, if you lose 2, you win 3, but all those 3 you did even 1-to-2s. That means that you made 6% and lost 2%, so you're actually at 4% that week, and that's just going for 1-to-2s. That's like how simple risk to reward can be, but a lot of you guys just overcomplicate it for no reason. So this is me trying to just break it down for you guys. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, come join. It's late for you guys. Like, I mean, benefits you more than me. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, Sonny. Appreciate it, brother. Y'all need to be tuned into this shit though, bro. I'm telling y'all. I'd be here just, bro. Wait for the future. Wait for the future. What we got coming out. New videos coming out next week, guys. I'm gonna be a lot more consistent with it. Podcast, YouTube videos on its way. Can I get a W? W's in the motherfucking chat. Sonny Adam is here. Thank you, bro. Hello, Sonny Adam. Hey from Ethiopia. Hey, Ethiopia from California, United States. Los Angeles. LA, California. USD CAD is getting kind of close to the Asia lows. We can mark that up right here. Set an alert for that. You know what I'm saying? You have a nice low right here as well. It'd be nice for it to kind of come and take out both of them all in like one big wick. That'd be pretty dope. Can't lie. No, I'm from Nigeria. Sonny Adams, you're from Nigeria? Thank you for being here, brother. So guys, you can see here that on USD CAD, this is clearly the impulse leg, or this is what I would consider the impulse leg right here. So you can see here that we are trading and we have pulled back below the 50%. So we are in discount. Even if you were to mark up this little leg within the impulse, I would say we're still, yeah, exactly. We still reacted off discount on the 50%. So at this point, literally, I would say that a nice liquidity grab within structure to continue is what I would say probably looks good. GU would mean that we have to be looking for some GU sells. It already is obviously a big downtrend. So looking for sells is obviously more likely. Gold still within here. GJ, same shit. Everything's just kind of slow tonight, guys. I wouldn't say it's the most fun, night trading wise, but it is Thursday, so what a way to end the week, you know what I'm saying? Did I break up and skip at all? Guys, have I broken up or skipped it all on the live? I get 30 racks a show. A bitch won't tell me no. Get 30 racks a show. A bitch won't tell me no. I ain't coming to play. And that's with some commas on it. Big ass chain with diamonds on it. Y'all ever play Wordle? Damn, is it not up anymore? Is Wordle not a thing anymore? Chat. First off, what the fuck? Bro, I'm telling you, this is so annoying. $30 a show. Just want to tell me no. Oh my god, what the literal fuck? Yeah, for you. Oh, here we go. I don't know what the fuck I clicked on. Come on, chat, help me out. How to play Guess the Word in 6 tries. No one, please tell me what the one for today was. No one tell me what it was. All right. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. What are we going with? Help me out, help me out, help me out. Help me out, help me out, help me out. We're going with A. We'll go with A. Come on now. Oh, wait, no. Oh, fuck. We have to guess the whole word. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we could do we could do like candle. Like candle. Ah, shit. 1, 2, 3. Trade. I like that. I like that. All right. All right, we got an R. R in the wrong place, guys. R in the wrong place. We could do ready. Maybe. Oh no, but there's no E. It's like all the same things. You trading Euro USD today? I'm not, dude. Everything right now is really slow. That's how we're fucking going. We're going for. What up, Sava? Yo, what? We're playing Wordle, bro. Everything's ugly right now. All right. Limit. What you guys got to understand, guys. So how the game works is it has an R in it, but not right here. If it was green, that means that this would be a. This would be where the R is. So like the R is probably over here. So like words. What about words? Oh, there's no D though. Like worst. Oh, but there's no T. Like what? Animal, that's not enough. Break, but there's no A. Works, there we go. Works. Oh, alright, alright. So now there's an O and an R right here, chat. O and an R. We could do Forbes. Forbes. No, there's no T. Forge. There's no E. Forex. Yeah, there's no E. Ooh, forum. You stupid motherfucker. Not your fucking head, dumb fuck. Come on now. Works. I already guessed that right here. Come on, chat. Corn. 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 Porsche. Porch. Good one. Good one. Good one. Oh. Oh wait, bro. Just you better not have looked it up. You better not have looked it up. You better not have looked that shit up. Swear to God. Swear on the Forex gods. Am I not live anymore? That's some commas on it. Big ass chain with diamonds on it. Guys, Wordle's fun. W in the chat. W Wordle or L Wordle in the chat. You guys let me know. What do you think? W or L? W. That was a good one. Porch is a good one too, because I thought it was like Porsche almost. Real Action Road to Success didn't swear, so I think that he looked it up. No, look it up, chat. We'll do another one in the future. That shit's fun. USD CAD building up more buy side liquidity or sell side right below. And this false move up, so I'm hoping like we kind of get like a little false move up and then come back down to have that move up. Haha, you feel me? DXY hourly. Hourly looks like it's gonna push, guys. If the hourly pushes, that's in confluence with our USD CAD push, in confluence with our GU sells, etc. Didn't look it up? Fire. Good shit. Appreciate it. WW. It's a good ass guess. What is liquidity concept? Like, what is liquidity? Liquidity is basically just areas where a lot of stop loss and like orders are resting. Price tends to use it kind of as magnets to go and take out levels of liquidity before continuing. The thing that makes the most sense in my mind that I've said before when talking about liquidity is that it goes in the whole concept of like, you gotta understand, if there's huge institutions out there, banks, hedge funds that are putting hundreds of millions of dollars into the market, well, they need hundreds of millions of dollars of liquidity for their positions. So they'll go to obvious levels that, like, once again, I feel like people who don't know what liquidity is are the people who like are the liquidity. You know what I'm saying? Like, they put their stop losses in really obvious places, and it's just areas where a lot of orders are that pricing to go back and take before continuing. That's kind of the whole concept. Join LT VIP. Yeah, guys. Absolutely killing it. VIP this month at a 76% win rate, 25% P&L. And the one thing I want to say is this, that I always point out, is that you'll see here, like today I put a 4 because I was targeting the 4%. But most of the time you'll see the most output is a 3, where like a lot of these plays, like the NAS one, guys, you go to indices, NAS, the biggest ones I put is 4 because I always will close it at 1 to 4, even though the indices will go way more. Like you guys know that, like I showed you guys like this trade from, you know, last week, like this sell, like if I really like, a lot of signal providers put this as like 28%, you know, like because this went a 1 to 28, they'll say that it went 1 to 28, so they'll come put into here 28%, which isn't realistic. But what's crazy is that with still only putting 1s, 2s, and 3s and stuff, you know, risk to reward, we're still at a 25% this month. 25%. If you guys have a 100K account, that is $25,000. You go to the indices, boom, 36%. 15 and 2, 88% win rate. Kind of fucking ridiculous, if you ask me. Cheat code, cheat code, cheat code. No limits of cheat code. Y'all can ask Salva about it. Salva sees it firsthand. He's in both groups. Come on now. Can you give me 5 USD in Binance? I will earn and return you. 5, bro? Like just 5 USDT? To do what? You don't even get the fucking spreads. For starting his pyramid. That's what I'm saying. But that's just crazy. I've never had someone, you know, people ask me for money every single day. But not for no fucking 5. Not for no 5 USDT. Commas and commas, I load on my chopper, I'm banging this bitch, Andre Iguodala. Bro, I just be rapping in my head like 95% of the time. What is this, Euro USD? Bro. Remove drawings. I don't know what I got liquid means. You got liquidity? It seems like you don't if you need fucking 5 USDTs. $5 worth of USDT. GJ 5-minute demand holding. I want the lows to get taken out. Last time I looked at GJ, I want the lows to get taken out. There's like equal lows with the fair value gap sitting like right here. Some traders are really going through a lot, but they can't say the truth. How can a trader be begging for $5? Yeah, I don't know. $5 is kind of insane. Like 50s, like okay, you know. A 5? That's kind of crazy. Like, bro, it would cost me, like, I don't even, like, it would cost me more to send it. Like, it costs a couple dollars to send. Turn it from 5 to 8. Maybe Asia liquidity guy. That's what I'm saying. You got Asia lows with like equal lows with the fair value gap. I mean, don't say I didn't tell you so. You know what I'm saying? UJ still within the range. USD CAD. Like I said, false low breakout. Come down, take some sell side liquidity. And then buy. GA, like I said, GA's been ugly. Not ugly, it's just been trending. If you weren't in buys, I mean, if you were in buys from down here, I mean, come on, gangsta, I ain't gonna hold you. That was fire. That was fire. But I was not in them. And then gold too. Gold really not doing the same, you know, same shit. And then GJ. I have my alert set to take out the lows, but there's just nothing I would say, you know, really telling me anything. Let me go double check on that promo code, guys. A lot of you guys are asking for that promo code. I'm gonna double check for you. Yeah. Code trade. I just double check, guys. You guys can go use code trade. Sava, want to send the link? Send the link to VIP. Y'all go use code trade to kind of run it up with the team. Bang and I'm loading my chopper. I'm banging the bid Andre Iguodala. All right, another trend line kind of busting. Bust it. I mean, what would they see here? Any setups, guys, that you guys are looking at in your trading view that you're like, this is a good setup, I'll pull it up here. You guys also can go put it in the Discord. Sava, can you send the link to the Discord? Send it into the trade ideas. and I'll review it. I'll review it for sure. Nas buys. I just don't trade Nas during London. I trade during New York. These are the sells I caught earlier. Gangsta. I'm banging the bitch. 100 week with dollar. SPX, US 30. Dirty 30, Jared 30. I'd trade Jared 30 before any of the other ones. You know what I'm saying? Jared 30 is German, so that London Open is same type of ordeal. So I would trade Jared if I was gonna do it. Jared's pretty clean too. I'd say it fixed out a little less than, you know, US 30 NAS. SPX. Y'all feel me, chat? Y'all feel me? Y'all feel me? But yeah, guys, click that Discord link and join, and send setups. Any setups you guys see that you'd want to take, send to me and I'll review it. I'll pull it up here on stream. USD CAD just looks kind of clean. I just kind of like it. Can't even lie. Alright, USD CAD, what you gonna do? Am I tripping or is everything just really slow tonight, chat? Like I'll go through everything on the list. We got gold. Gold's within this range that we're kind of waiting to see if we're going to break out of this kind of like trend, you know what I'm saying? It's like a wedge. GJ, y'all know what I'm already looking for, the retracement to take out Asia lows, tap into this fair value gap. GA, untouchable, disgusting. Like, like look at this. I already went over that. This is like the first little level of demand, but I mean, it should retrace further, so it just, there's no really like, I don't know. I just don't know where it's going to reject from. So it's like, I don't want to trade that. GU, in my opinion, we're in this big downtrend. So I'm not really trying to buy yet. I would need to see a change of character. But then on top of it, it's like, it's too, like we've already sold so much that I wouldn't sell until we pulled back up into like one of these supplies. You know what I'm saying? Like, which isn't far, but it's just farther. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just, because you got to think, if this is the impulse leg, because I'm only on the 15-minute time frame, I'm not even on the hourly. If this is the impulse leg, we're still not even above the 38%. Like, we're for sure not on discount. EU, same type of thing. I guess we're kind of breaking this trend line, guys. If you guys like this setup, this is one that I said is not a bad setup. I was looking at it earlier. Reason why I say it's not that bad is because you look left. We did just sweep this previous New York high before coming down, and we've been building up this trend line, and it looks like we're finally breaking it for the first time. So I'm not saying to sell right at the break, but now that we've gotten kind of a break of liquidity, if we can come up and like hold here still, maybe take out here, then you can kind of come and aim for like the next low, which would be right here, which you can get a nice like 1 to 2, 1 to 3 out of that setup, AU, nothing, not even charted up because there's just nothing. UJ is just within this box. No movement. And then USD CAD is the other thing we talked about that looks semi-promising, but it will need to come sweep this low to look for, further. You did gold analysis already, Luca? Yeah, I've gone over gold, guys. I basically, in short terms, I think that like, if you wanted to consider this its own little impulse, like here, we did pull back, reject out the 78%. To continue sells, but if we go to the hourly time frame and looking where we are at and where we retrace to, I think that this is still within this impulse leg, and we're now rejecting off this level, where if we see this trend line get broken, I don't want to see if we could hold this level, you know what I'm saying, and maybe take some longs. Obviously look for like liquidity grab first. I just am not the most, I don't know why, I just don't know if I just don't like selling. or if it's oversold. But just when price has gone so far, and it's the same reason why I don't want to trade GA kinda. Like once again, guys, GA, like look at how many, like I could just go mark up every single like level of like supply here and try to buy every time it pulls back, but it's like that's just not realistic. You know what I'm saying? It's just no bueno. I don't like it, I don't like it, I don't like it. Is there any other pairs you guys see that you're like, oh no, this one's good? Bro, tomorrow's gonna be, I'm already so sore from the gym, from my personal training, and I got more tomorrow.
I've been recording since like 1 p.m. 12 hours. I ain't with a fucking Honda I was doing this much fucking work, bro. Fuck it. Need some kind of fucking land, nigga.
What's the protein number for daily intake? The daily number is, I have it right here, 200 grams. I'm supposed to do 200 grams of protein a day. 200 grams of protein a day. So y'all see me drinking these protein shakes on fucking on stream also. You know who Trader Tom is, and if so, any thoughts? I don't know who that is actually. So body weight, what does that mean? We're getting the gold cells. Volume kicking in. What time is it? 11:20. One pound of protein, 1 pound body weight. Oh. Actually, I didn't even know that. This is why I hired a personal trainer, guys. I believe in mentoring, guys. The same way I believe in mentoring and trading. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting the due diligence and the fucking money up to do that because I believe the same thing, where I should have someone who is a professional in it, who has done it, who has like a good body, diet, everything, and have them help me. So that's why y'all see me with the coach. The amount of body weight is the amount of protein. You see what I'm saying? Is I didn't even know that. And then what? Do I slowly like do less over time when I'm like losing it? Is that like the whole thing or what?
Your life, there's no room to be normal. At the end of the day, like, who wants to be normal anymore? It's not cool to be normal. And why would you want to spend it just being like the rest of people? Just
If you're cutting, then yes. Fire. Well, GJ's not doing shit, guys. I might hop off live in a second, chill a little bit before London. Nothing's really doing anything. Gold just sold off a little bit. Showed a little bit of volume, but nothing too crazy. Keep that consistent until you reach your goal muscle to fat ratio. Yeah. A lot of chicken and veggies. Yeah. That's what we doing. A lot of chicken and veggies and like steak. I ate steak. Wait, I think there's something else I need to do also. It's like 200 grams of protein, 15 grams of fat, and 115 grams of carbohydrates. Saw the vid with Cowboy Joan footage. Yeah, bro, you guys will have to wait to see that type of shit. It's so sick. Kind of already showed you, I'm pretty sure. Oh shit, I can't see myself. So sick. Saw the, yeah. Are you cutting or putting muscle mass? Are you cutting or putting muscle mass? So like, someone said normal male consumes 2,500 calories a day to put size you need to eat. Like what my trainer said, he's like, bro, let's focus on getting you strong first, like getting your muscle up, and then we can work on trying to like lose the calories and cut and that type of stuff. He said just getting strong will solve like a lot of the problems. He said like a lot of people just try to like cut super hard and not eat and whatever, and it's just not good for you or something, you know what I'm saying? Like to force it. So he's like, let's focus on meeting you up, getting your muscle there, getting your muscle mass up, and then from there working on cutting weight down. Protein has to match your activity level, and also your height is a big factor. My height is? So I'm 6'3", guys. So what should I be doing? What's your thoughts and prices at equilibrium? Is it similar to the Fib Gold Zone? Yeah, I thought the Fib Gold Zone was the 62 though. Or is it 50? More muscle, you burn more calories. That's why. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, like I didn't know that. He's like Luca 240 linebacker. No, I'm not 240, and I don't want to get to 240. I actually want to get to like 20. I want to get to like 205, 210. I'm like 6'3", 225 right now. Because your body has never been through eating clean and training, that tends to do in the bare minimum. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Just doing minimum of just working out and eating well is already going to do a lot. I already know. Any future purchases in mind? I want to buy a house. It's just that like I obviously have a good amount of savings and capital, but well, it depends how much I'd want to put down. Because I could put down like the minimum or whatever, but it'd also be nice to just be able to like put like fucking 40-50% down and budget buy a house, you know? It's just different. A lot of you guys live in different shit. Like in California where I am, or back where my hometown is, like if you get like the shittiest house in my hometown is probably 650, 700,000. And I'm talking like a pretty bad house. And I'm not just saying like bad for like any neighborhood. I'm talking about like bad for like anywhere. You'd be like, what the fuck? You know? So that's the only problem, is that like I don't want to go put like, you know, 400K down. Cali is crazy for real estate. It's just crazy. Are signals sent out in the morning and throughout the day? Signals are sent, you know, during London Open until about like 2.5 hours into London, and then also during New York sessions when I do the indices. LOL, one bed, 1,000 square foot is 700. That, yeah. Like, I'm trying to think. Like, I mean, I wouldn't say that, but like if in a really nice area, like here in LA, yes, like a 1-bedroom flat in like a good skyrise or something is for sure like that, you know, for sure that much. I had a friend when I lived in San Francisco, guys. I had a friend who was interning there for a summer, like right before we had graduated, and he was like leasing out a room with a buddy, and him and a friend were sharing the room, and it was a 2-bedroom like skyrise in this really nice apartment, like overlooking the bay and shit, and it was like do I want to say it was like 14,000 a month or something, 12, 14, you know, something just ridiculous where like I went to the place, I got to go up into it and go out and shit. And like, bro, my place right here is bigger. Like in here, like my apartment now is bigger than what that one was. And that one was, you know, crazy expensive. Bro, I knew you're from the Bay shit. You could sub on my mouthpiece. If I can write you. Do you send signals on Fridays? I'll purchase VIP right now. Yeah, like for London, I don't trade Fridays in the indices room. I don't like trading Fridays with our indices, but I trade like tonight. $14K just on rent. Damn, that's what I'm saying. What's the rent cost for yours? I'll let you guys guess. I'm pretty transparent, you know. I don't really care. I'm always transparent about how much I spend on shit, because at the end of the day, guys, I'm still so fucking young and shit. Like, no one could say I'm doing bad. Doing good. Someone said 5K, someone said 2,600. Somewhere in the middle of those. Definitely higher than 2,600, lower than 5K. You gotta think it's me, you know, just me. Cat JPY. Euro gold. Dipshon, don't be one of those people who's only here for the giveaway. I've honestly never, I don't even think I've seen your name here before. I don't think I've even seen your name here before, sir. You guys remember, discount code TRADE, 15% off. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. GJ. AU, I have it right here. We brought it up earlier. Taking out Asia highs if you wanted to consider it, you know, the sells. You know, like you definitely could. I'm not the biggest fan, but this filled this kind of, yeah. Yeah, I mean, this ain't too bad. What I'd want to see maybe is a break of structure, retest. Something like that would be ideal, honestly, just to like be a little bit more careful. St. Clay. You've been following since Dr. Dollar Live. Well, first off, thank you for being here for a while. But then also, if you've been here for a while, then you know not to just be in the chat Russian. Pressuring. Discount code, yeah, discount code TRADE, guys. TRADE. Trade. Discount code TRADE for 15% off. It's so generous. Like, what the fuck, just for like no reason. Discount. In message. Can you give 30% only for me, brother? Bro's just ballsy. Like, he's just like, fuck it. Unfortunately not, brother. That's awesome though. That was so awesome. Can you give 30% only for me? Like, you said it in front of everyone. 30% off. Can you give me a kiss? Yeah. Yeah. Kisses are an extra. Kisses can be extra. Can I just get 1 month free? Not right now. I kind of wanted to do the thing where it was like a buy one get 1 month free, but I already knew that people who are already in it would be pretty salty. So I don't know how to do that. You know? Seeing a buy on US oil, thoughts? I don't really trade oil, bro. I don't know how much help I would be. I'm kidding. I'll chart it up. Why not? You have oil on here? Oh, I do. US oil. Seeing a buy? Why are you seeing a buy? I like it. Nice demand setup. I like it. A nice little low takeout right here. Yeah. If we take out this low and tap back into here, pretty G setup. For gold, need to get VP on can get signals from indices. Gold is in VIP. Gold's in VIP, but like I said, guys, if you guys use the VIP plus indices, you'll be in both rooms. And if you guys go use the code trade, it's like the same price as buying it just like VIP regular. So that's why I kind of did it for you guys, you know. It's kind of just like a secret little hookup. Go click on the link Salva sent and sign up. Have a good night. Thanks as always. Thank you, bro. Good to see you as always. Hope you have a good weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Let's get it. Safe trading tonight if you trade. Safe trading in the morning if you do. But hasta luego. Thank you, Luca. Yes, of course. Guys, I'm gonna get out of here in a second. If you guys have any last minute questions, definitely shoot them over to me so I can answer them. But I think it was a solid live. I mean, I broke down all the charts for you guys. You guys know what I'm kind of waiting for heading into London. Y'all make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. I might be live on there after this. So make sure y'all come tune in. Here is the link. Could you please check a chart I sent into the ideas chat? Yes. Guys, like I said, I highly recommend everyone I recommend everyone to first let's do this and this. We got trade ideas. All right. My boy MVP, guys. First off, if you guys are not in the Discord, there's a section called trade ideas that you can go and send your trade ideas into that that I'll review. But you can see here MVP. I can't tell what pair this is. It doesn't say. But I like that he uses, like, you can see that he uses discount as well. You can see that he pulled back. Deep. I don't really see. Oh, then he's in buys. On the M10, I've never seen someone use the M10. So he's in buys from down here. Damn, he's still on MT4. I haven't seen that in a minute. Oh, it's Nas. Yeah, like I like the fib. He fibbed this up, saw that it came back down as discount and is taking the long back up to fill the impulse leg. Yeah, I don't hit on it, bro. I like it. I like it a lot. But like I said, guys, I appreciate you all. You guys are all the best. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you guys week after week for coming, tuning in with me, showing love. New YouTube video I'm gonna be working on this weekend to put out for you guys. Make sure you guys go comment on the old YouTube, not the old. I literally dropped it on Tuesday, but comment there. Hit Salva's link, guys. I'm gonna go through it one more time, but guys, this is the results in VIP for this month so far. 16 wins. 5 losses for 25% gain, 76% win rate. And then we have July with 15 and 2 with 36% gain with an 88% win rate. Absolutely killer, guys. I just gave you guys discount code TRADE for 15% off to come and join. If you go use 15% off to join both rooms, it's like the same price as just joining VIP. So make sure y'all go join that. Click that link. Join for the team. Love you guys. Please be safe this weekend and tune in on Instagram, guys, for anything I got coming out. Thanks for playing Wordle. Thanks for always showing love. Y'all are the best. And yeah, stay tuned. Love you guys. Catch you on the next one. Stay tuned for next week's lives, guys. If you guys were on this week's lives, make sure you're tuned in for next week's lives, guys. We're going crazy. Peace out, gang. Deuces. Later. Maybe spam some W's in the chat. If anyone's still here, spam some W's. More W's. Oh shit. W's in the chat. It's just one of those days. All right, chat. I love you all. Hope I catch you guys on the next one next week. Y'all are the best. Thank you guys for tuning in week after week. And I'll catch you guys on the Instagram. Go on to the Instagram. I'll be there.